Alright guys, you want to get your Crosman 2240 screws looking like this, or any gun for that matter, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need 3 sandpapers, you're going to need 600, 1000 and 2000 grit. You're going to need mother's polish. You're going to need a small little wool polish wheel and a Dremel. What you're going to do is you're going to take, you're also going to need one of these little grinding wheels from the Dremel tools, which they're really soft. So we're going to start off with this first. Oh wait, forgot to show you. It looks gray. I started to grind it down, but the screw flew off, so I had to look for it. But it's still in the first stage, which is this grinding wheel. This is a very quick process, so you can just do one screw at a time, and it doesn't take any time because the Dremel is doing all the work for you. So alright, then you're going to get your 600. Light pressure. It doesn't have to be a lot of pressure. If you do too much pressure, it'll go right through the paper. So very light pressure. Let the Dremel do all the work. Then we move on to the 1000. 1000. Then we move on to the 2000. Alright, and the final step, take your mother's cone polish, take your wheel on one side, put a dab of it, and run the screw into it. It's going to get dark, you know it's working when it gets black. Okay, working real good. And then take it to the side of the wheel where it's clean. And voila, Chrome 2240 screw, or any gun for that matter. Here you go.